Hey there, TMG Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee, folks. We got a slick 250 rolling out of the shop today. This is going to man Tim. Tim's got quite the setup here. And guys, 250 on our single axle trailer. We're going to set you back about 10,500. Custom paint logo that's going to add a little extra on you. But starting around there, like I said, Tim did have us paint this tank teal. Came out really slick, paint matched all his logos as well. Guys, he also got a little bit more narrow single axle trailer on this build. So you lose a little bit of storage room on the back, as you can see there, but very narrow, about 72 inches wide. So you're trying to get it in and out of a tight spot. This may be your way to go, about 16 foot long overall. So pretty compact setup for what you're getting here. Now we'll open up the 250. Guys, all of our 250s, you get dual top racks, 3 grates in the bottom. They don't slide out, but they are removable. All right. 1.5 inch ball valve grease drain in the bottom. Y'all can't see it, but it's down there, I promise. TMG Pits tail truth thermometers in both doors, of course. Now, guys, all of our tank smokers do come with a fold-down stack. So this will fold down. It'll lock in place while you're going down the road. Got the paint match TMG logo, of course. Also did him 2 little custom logos there on the side. He did get these stainless steel fender toppers as well. Guys, all our trailers have been in-house. They're sandblasted, gloss black paint. We can custom paint them as well. Just let us know. Check out this fully insulated firebox, guys. Holds heat extremely well. Makes this smoker just run like a dream. So guys, y'all know the deal. If you need a custom pit built, you know to call TMG Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee.